The best time to eat breakfast for a healthier heart. Timing your breakfast may be more important than you think when it comes to heart health. Recent studies suggest that eating breakfast earlier in the day, particularly before 8 a.m., could reduce the risk of heart disease. Why? It all comes down to our body's natural rhythms, specifically the circadian clock, which regulates various functions like metabolism, hormone release, and digestion. When we eat breakfast earlier, it aligns better with our body's internal clock, promoting more efficient digestion and energy use. This helps prevent blood sugar spikes and reduces the likelihood of weight gain, both of which are linked to cardiovascular issues. Skipping breakfast or eating it late can throw off this balance, leading to higher cholesterol levels, insulin resistance, and inflammation, all risk factors for heart disease. Eating a nutrient-dense breakfast rich in fiber, healthy fats, and lean proteins can further boost these heart-protective effects. Think whole grains, fruits, nuts, and eggs as part of your morning routine. So, if you want to safeguard your heart, consider shifting your breakfast routine to earlier hours. This simple change could significantly lower your risk of heart disease and improve your overall health. Start your day right, your heart will thank you.